Now we will cover the single-use Smith & Nephew Pico pump. The kits come in 7 or 14 days. The Pico does not require a canister. It utilizes a silicone dressing. You have extra adhesive strips to secure the dressing. It comes with an extension tube, a belt clip for portability, and 2 AA batteries. Thank you for watching our series on negative pressure wound therapy. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to call or email our customer success team.